Menteri Rangba ke Jelam Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma uloong bakalong ke badang kloi banong AA halor ke uniform civil code namar hadu mentaru pada penkre ekane kabil bat di iru ya kanu ke jing tho ha ke jing penwandur ya ke UCC bat ke badan hapok kene kabil uloong bakan long banong AA namar ba di i ya kene kabil ndrai ke UCC kalong kamat ke bat ke bakhya bah bat kumnu kan long kadai ke bampat syai kedar Conrad Kongkal Sangma uloong basisian balapan mi eka draft bill kumta ke sarkar kan sasyong perkhat halor kene gamat.
Yes, we have sent a request and at a personal level. I was in the India meeting last time and I have discussed with the Honorable Home Minister and told him that I would like to come with my cabinet and meet him on a large number of issues regarding the state. And during that visit, whenever he gives the time to us, definitely we'll raise other issues also that were discussed, including the ILP issue. Number two, regarding the UCC, as I said, I have maintained my stand from day one that as a concept, of course, it sounds very complicated because obviously India is a very diverse nation. But at the bottom of the whole thing, we have not seen the draft, so we cannot comment on anything till we don't see what is going to be there in the UCC draft. So therefore, there's nothing to say, to be frank. But I just commented on the concept which was there, and it's very complicated. It's very sensitive. So obviously, how it will be brought out and what form it will be brought out, we don't know. So till it's not brought out, I think it'll be difficult for me to make any comment. And I think it's no reason also for us to talk. So once a draft is out, if it is out, then we can sit down and then maybe we can discuss on which para is acceptable or not, and what should we do. So till that time, I think there's no need to discuss this. But as I've mentioned from day one, as a concept, it's very complicated. And obviously, India is a very diverse nation.
Hadian kecing sapriang ke video jongki arngot ki kentai ke belasya penyat lungkhoj hakmat upat ba baca alek klam akor ha ke Jelam Manipur kabadan hapedeng kejingi snam. Nagaliang Menteri Rangba ke Jelam Meghalaya ula pendram jore kene kejing lek klam akor bad ula dawa badiban penstom da ke beteng yakini ke badan keti ha kene ka kampaman. Conrad Kongkal Sangma uloong ba unsapha da kejing tho sya Menteri Rangba adu kari sya katnat korbari ke sorkar pedeng bat sya Menteri Rangba ke Jelam Manipur. Haga bayadai bat kene kejingja bat bandawa badai ban penstom da ke beteng yakini ke badan keti ha kene ka kampaman.
The Manipur incident act is very, very disturbing. Number one, it is really something that just shouldn't have happened, and the government must take action against all these people who have done this. As I said, I repeat again that this is completely unacceptable what has happened, and strong action must be taken.
So, will you write also to the Chief Minister of Nagaland?
Absolutely, to the Chief Minister as well as to the Home Ministry and to the Honorable Prime Minister also. You must be aware that even before this, about a month back, I have already written to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Home Minister regarding certain measures and actions to be taken in Manipur, not as Chief Minister of Meghalaya, but as a political party. So, just let me finish. To write to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Home Minister for this. So we have been doing that. In the last all-party meeting that was called, I had attended personally, and we've been stressing on this. So yes, this incident, as I said, is very disturbing, and we will press that all measures should be taken so that action is taken against those who are guilty.